In this video, I will show you how you can browse some of the website marketplaces for proven niche ideas that are working for others within a matter of minutes. These techniques are especially helpful for mainly Amazon affiliate websites, but still you can make use of this technique for other websites too. So I will show you how. So here you need to just enter in Flippa. Just go to flippa.com. So this is the largest website or any virtual business marketplace. So here you can search for Amazon, okay, in case if you are interested in Amazon niches, and select the filter as websites. So it will return all the sites that have Amazon term in their title or in their monetization method or in description. So in order to further narrow down this research, you can select this as blog and review, and you can add in the price, or the profit that they are making, monthly profit, right? Minimum would be $500. Okay, so these filters are instant. So you can see there are many niche ideas here: nail products, Mammy skincare, bone headphone, 10 best tips for sports and outdoors, Trimmer advisor, the gadget nerds, non-biased reviews, not unbiased, non-biased, home performance NC. So these are some of the niches, right? So you just need to keep on browsing the list by maybe making it 100 items. And here you can also search for affiliate. You can see Mono Optics, right? This is a site around monoculars and binoculars, I guess. That's a really good niche idea, right? So if they are earning money, then you can also consider buying this. I'm not sure, like maybe I need to buy this because they have the net profit of $1,045 and they are selling it for $1,298. I need to buy this site, right? So the Guitar Girl, water sports advice. There are a lot of sites here that you can consider buying or treat them as inspiration for starting your own site. One advantage of buying a site is the site is already earning money, so you can add some more content and optimize it and further boost the income. But again, this guy is selling the site for his monthly profit, right? Like conventionally people don't do that, because people usually sell their site for at least 15, 20 or 25 or even 30x their monthly income, right? Multiple 13x here. And apart from Flippa, there are other marketplaces like humanproofdesigns.com. So they offer a lot of services, and under their services they offer ready-made sites. Okay, so you can see the details, and here you can browse down, and they have a list of niches in which they can sell you a site. Okay, yeah, authority sites under hunting and Bluetooth devices, and supreme sites under drawing, standard sites under baseball gloves, monoculars, again you can see, right? So messenger bags, dog beds, gaming motherboards, that's good. Patio heaters, tactical boots, in case if you're into shoes niche, you can cover this topic as well. And our main interest is here the sold sites. So sold site means people have already bought this site. If they have already bought this site for a premium price, it means that the niche is proven to work. It is proven to work and is validated by both Human Proof Designs and as well as the person who bought this site. So you can be rest assured that this niche actually works. Okay, so my back pain coach, you can see. So you can keep an eye on marketplaces like this, or else what you can do is, this is a public URL. Drop this URL in any web page change detector tools. So there are some web page detector tools like Visual Pink, Scan.io. So you can make use of these website checker tools to get updated in your inbox whenever some content is changed in this page, so that you get to know when a certain site in certain niche is being sold or some new niche is added. You will be covered by these tools. Apart from Human Proof Designs, you can also head over to Motion Invest. Okay, not Motion Array, it's Motion Invest. So under Motion Invest, you can see view sites available. So you can see there are some sites here like Best Kitchen Guides, Forex Freshman, Clash.world, Techie Flux, and these are all some of the sites that are already sold. So the niche also is not revealed here, but still you can see there are a lot of ideas here, right? So you need to first log into a free account that you need to create, then only these URLs will be revealed. So there are many other website marketplaces, guys. So you can just search in Google something like ready-made website marketplaces. Okay, so you can see I have not explored all of them, but I'm sure that there are a lot of marketplaces like this you can make use of. Alright guys, hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video.